everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elena. Today, I'm a little late for my Monday Mass videos. It's going to be Tuesday just because I'm filming on actual Monday instead. But I had like a crazy thought, a crazy idea. It's not crazy, but bear with me. I thought, since we're quarantined and a mask is generally what people use, in the grocery store, I'm going to put my mask on. With my mask on, I'm in a garden outside. And you guys can come with me because, I thought it would be fun if you could see my garden setup because I've been working so hard with my brother and my mother and my boyfriend and everyone. Even my friend came over and we were just gardening, and so we were trying to set up a greenhouse in the back, but you will see my flower bed in the front of the house. So I figured, let's put this mask on and get to the gardening, right? Gotta be part of nature, so put some dirt on. So today I'm going to use mask of magnesium. So today I'm going to use mask of magnanimity. Magnanimity. I sound like the octopus from freaking Finding Nemo. Magnanimity. Anyways, it's a face and body mask from Lush, and I absolutely love this mask. It makes me look like a green monster, but I'm going to put this on, and then I'm going to flip back into garden.
Okay, as you can see, we have a dirt pile over here, and my dog is barking. And then over here we have the flower bed that we're going to fill up with that dirt. Dan's plumbing over there. Oh, then we have some bees over here. I was for a hot minute. I'm just gonna grab this dirt shovel right here. We're gonna get to it. of the day. What do you guys think? A lavender over there. And a rosemary. And a little succulent teapot. Do you think I should put the teapot in the garden or just like leave it outside?
I think you leave it outside.
Anyways, in conclusion to my video today, the Mask of Magnesium by Lush, I still don't know how to say it, but we'll learn eventually. I will give it a 2 green thumbs up. I have green nail polish, so that's why I'm saying green thumbs, and I'm gardening, so you get it. I don't have to explain it, I don't think. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I do videos. I'm going to be doing a scheduled video. I promise you I'm going to be more scheduled, but I got sucked into Animal Crossings and gardening. Please forgive me. So I hope you like the rest of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.